I have an opinion that I think might ruffle some feathers here, but I don't see anything wrong with what happened. Sa totoo lang, chat, wala ako nakikitang maling nangyari.
It's more of language because I'm an Englishera.
Both are adults. Both have said their preferences. They were both very honest with their experiences. And there's totally nothing wrong with voicing out your preference. Kung sa experience mo, dahil panay English ka, nakaka-push away ka ng mga suitors, o di okay, yun yung nangyari sa'yo. And sinabi niya yun, kinwento niya yun, di ba? And I think, if I'm not mistaken, by the way this looks set up, you pop the balloon kung hindi mo type or hindi mo tingin makakasundo mo yung blind date mo, if you can call it that, because that's, we've seen a lot of these things online already. So pinop niya yung balloon niya kasi hindi niya type yung guy, tapos gagalit tayo sa kanya dahil Englishera siya. Paano yung mga iba rin yung salita? Gagalit tayo sa kanila dahil iba yung salita nila. I think where this can go wrong, of course, is when you design your entire identity around speaking in English. Ginawang personality nung babae yung pagsasalita niya ng English. Na parang bang, okay, porkit nag-i-English ka, di na kami worthy for you or di na ako karapat-dapat na i-date mo. Not really. Sinabi niya lang yung preferences niya, di ba? And then, of course, W to the guy for taking that so maturely na sinabi niya pa, well, the thing about relationships is, well, first of all, willing ako mag-adjust. Willing ako mag-compromise. That's what relationships are about. Sabi pa nung guy, ano pa yung sabi nung guy? Well, little did you know, nagtuturo ako ng English internationally. When you see that videos like this where there are cuts or the camera points to a different person, there's already an edit here. It could be cut in such a way that it entices engagement or it gets people a little mad. Maybe it's in the way na sinabi niya to, 'di ba? Na nag-i-English siya. Tuloy-tuloy yung English niya, sabi niya, I'm an English speaker, as in dire-diretso, ganito, ganyan. Pero nagtataglish pala. But I think she's also trying to code switch at the moment. At the moment, she is code switching, trying to integrate Filipino words into her sentences para maging mas relatable. Because I guess, yun na nga yung insecurity niya, di ba? Yun na nga yung sinasabi niyang experience niya na kapag dire-diretso siyang nag-i-English, na to turn off or na nagkakaroon ng problema with her dates. So I guess that's why siya nag-i-inject na mga Tagalog words in the middle. Not because there's kind of a dissonance there, right? Na, hey, I'm an English speaker pero Taglish ako magsalita. I don't think so. It's tough to assume based on 2-minute clips, 1-minute clips. And people are more than the clips that make them popular or viral online. Na kung saan engagement talaga ang habol, they're cut a certain way. Okay, they're cut a certain way. Not for better, not for better or worse, but they're just cut to tell a story. And whatever that story is for the viewers to digest. So I also don't want to blame the producers or the editors of this video because I want to operate on the assumption that people are trying to create good content. So it's not so much that they cut this para magalit tayong lahat sa babae. I that's why you have to be more careful and critical, I think, with the way we think about videos like this. They're both adults. They're both very confident in the way they mentioned or the way they talked about themselves, their personalities, their preferences. And hindi naman nakakasakit yung mga sinabi nila. Wala namang sinabi yung girl na masama talaga, di ba? Medyo could be off-putting. Could have brushed off in the wrong way, but ay mali ba talaga siyang sinabi? Did she really mean to hurt other people? I don't think so. I don't think so. Um, yeah, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that perspective is gonna age well either. But I'm open of course to being criticized equally for what I said. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the full video shows a different story. But because I am also coming from reacting to this 2-minute clip, it's already hard to say that, hey guys, I'm an English speaker. Dire-diretso ako magsalita ng English. I mean, let's make it all English. I speak English straight. I speak straight English, and in my experience, it gives people the metaphorical nosebleed. Look at how that sounds, right? It sounds ridiculous to even talk about the topic, much less construct sentences in straight English. So to make her claim a little bit more relatable, I feel like nag-insert siya ng mga Tagalog words dun para lang din hindi siya magmukhang super obnoxious, because the topic itself is already ridiculous. Come on, chat. The way she said it may have been a little off, may have pushed people's buttons, pero you zoom out a bit. Don't look too close. Don't try to don't try to think too much about it. Zoom out a little. She's just telling you what she prefers. She's just telling you na, like, it's like girls wanting ayoko magsabi ng preferences ng girls, baka tayo yung mabash eh. But okay, here, it's like people saying na gusto nila ng matalino o ng mayaman o ng maganda o pogi, right? These are all preferences. Yeah, nothing deep. Zoom out a bit. I get the anger, I get the rage. They were super chill about it. Even look, the fact that the guy reacted that way. First of all, again, W on the guy for reacting that way. Sobrang calm, nonchalant, ano lang. Okay, I hear you. You want to speak in straight English? I'm cool with that. I teach English too. I teach international students. Also, by the way, sinasabi ko lang, kapag love, open naman ako sa compromise. Di ba ang galing nung guy? Sobrang swabe niya, by the way. So, and I think that's the point of the cut of this video. It's to paint one hero and one villain, because that makes a good story. Zoom out a bit. They're both okay people. They're both good people. The part na binawi yung balloon, okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was a little cringy. Na binawi yung balloon, but I think she was also a little embarrassed by the entire exchange.